To pay with cash on Temu, follow these steps. Check if cash payment is available. Temu usually offers payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. However, depending on your region, cash on delivery might be an option. Check if cash on delivery is available in your area or for the specific product you are purchasing. This can typically be found during the checkout process. Add items to your cart. Browse the Temu app or website and add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout. Once you're ready to check out, tap on the cart icon and proceed to payment options. Choose cash on delivery. During checkout, if cash on delivery is available, select this as your payment method. It will show as an option under the payment method section. Make sure you provide a valid delivery address to ensure the order can be processed for cash on delivery. Confirm and complete the order. Review your order details, including shipping information, and confirm your purchase. When the delivery arrives, pay the courier in cash for the items. Ensure cash is ready for delivery. Have the exact amount of cash available when the delivery arrives to complete your payment smoothly.